Sa bawat kanto, may bagong pakulo. Pagkain at lugar palaging bago. Repo.
Good morning. So, good morning. No, it's not morning. It's afternoon pala. So, good afternoon again. So, obviously, it's another Sunday. So, of course, what we're gonna do on Sunday is to go to the church to serve the Lord and to say thank you to all the blessings. Of course, kapag mga free naman yung Sunday namin, we usually go to the church naman talaga. So, after that, of course, we will be going pasyal. And right now, we will be going after the church to our favorite mall here in Taguig. Of course, the SM Aura. So, yun yung favorite mall namin. Tatlo. Kasi usually, doon lang kami madalas pupunta when it comes to mall. So, we're out here. So, Paul and Zio already outside waiting for me kasi kinuha na nila yung car and nauna na silang bumaba. So, ako yung nahuli. So, they're waiting for me outside. Medyo makulimlim again. Okay, they're here. So our car is here and they're all waiting for me here. Hi. Hi. What? What? Where's the boy? Okay. What? Let's go. So actually, doon na rin pala kami magsisimba sa SM Aura. Kasi there is a church sa taas ng SM Aura. So doon kami magsisimba. Ayan. So wala na kaming gas. Siyempre papagas si Paul.
Hindi ko magpapagas.
Ikaw.
Ayan na, may box po na lang po sir. Saan titignan?
Okay, so let's go now.
Wait lang din may ano natin. Tawagan ko natin.
Di magsi-6 na.
Saan na kaya na siya? Shopee daw eh.
Okay, so we're going now to SM Aura because doon na kami mag-church. And then,
Wait lang, pinupunta ko saan ito.
after that, doon na rin kami rarapa. Rapa? Kapunta.
Tower 3.
Kiyokit.
Titignan ko kung may Shopee.
Swimming? You want to swim there again? Okay.
Let's go to church.
Church, okay.
Let's go to.
Hindi ako
Nasa
nagkasunod
table.
paggas pa ako.
Nasa table.
What?
Nasa table.
We're going to the...
Church.
To?
Church.
What are we going to do there?
Let's go to Papa's Jesus.
Okay, let's go. So we're gonna update you once we're there. See you later.
Sakad mo si...
Papa. Papa.
We just had a
Papa.
stopover.
Papa. Papa. Ay.
And ang full tank ng gas ngayon
Papa.
ay mataginting na
5-3.
5,300 mami.
3 plus.
So it's 5,300 mga mamshi girls. So talaga naman. Gumamit ka ng card. Petron Pay. Petron card.
Hi.
So buti na lang mayaman si Babe. Ayan.
Babe.
Babe ano na?
Ako ticket pat.
Kaya naman.
Uy! Ito.
Parang fresh ko here.
Bagong ligo ka eh. Kaya fresh.
Nag-Petron Value card ka?
Pwede ba i-deduct nito ba? Ay, maticheck niyo ba yung ano nito? Para mabawasan dyan sa ano.
Wala pa yan, di masyado. Ako gamit
Check
mo
mo lang
lang.
muna boss kung pwede.
So, ayun na nga. We're on the way. Ano oras na ba?
6. Soft rock.
So, 6 na. And ang mas namin ay 6:30. So, good luck kung talaga namang aabot pa rin kami or late na naman.
Apo white.
Pero sana, apat naman
Apo
siguro.
white. Apo white.
What?
I-flex mo naman yung regalo ni Dominic sa
Apo white.
yung lakos.
Apo white. Apo white.
Nakalakos siya at hindi ka naman mag-gold day kung wala kang pambayad sa 5,000 na gas.
For the first time, nakapag-lock.
So, hindi ka naman mag-gold, oh. Ayan. Diba? At
Naka-gold. Naka-gold.
At hindi ka maglalako.
Laro ka! May pinakita mo yung
Diba?
number ko. Huwag mo
Anong number? Wala naman tumingin.
Up now, tutu.
So,
Nakita ba ito?
pakita natin. Gusto mo? Okay, so ayun na nga. Ano ba yan? See you? What are you doing to yourselves?
Eh.
Okay, just say hi to them, to our Madlam people. Say, what's up, Madlam people?
Oi.
So, okay, we're gonna go now.
Hi.
Oh, we're gonna say bye now if you will not say hi. Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Say what's up.
Manat people.
What's up?
Hello people.
That would be all. And I?
Hi. Thank you.
Tak 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 ta talak. Ah, sing. Tak 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 ta talak. Tak 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 ta talak.
460
Stop.
hours.
Stop.
Okay.
Ako yung orange na okay.
So may nakita po tayong 4,800.
Yan yung babayaran ko. Alright. Okay, thank you.
May 400?
Oo.
Grabe ka.
Kahit pa pa. Nakatulong din.
Ah, kasi
Salamat,
Oh, ako
Nagpapagasgas kasi tayo, di ba?
Nagdo-double-double.
1,000.
Minsan kasi nagdo-double-double. Ano ako eh.
Say.
Double reward.
Dada.
Double
Da
booking.
da da da
Ta
da.
talak.
Mahilig
Tak
ka
tak
sa-
tak tak ta talak.
Da 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 da.
One more. 1, 2, 3, go.
Da 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 da.
And I?
Ah, ito sa kanya.
Ha?
Yung
Mayroon po ako ng
Da.
yung team na lasa yung team mo.
And I?
Ito ba?
Anay. Thank
Shoot
you.
ka. Ayan. Red yung nakalagay.
Anay. Dada.
Ayaw ko tapos.
Dada. 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 Anay.
Thank
Thank you.
you. One more.
Anay. Thank you.
Tak 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 ta talak.
Look.
What's up?
May resibo naman yung bossing.
Say what's up.
Oh.
So, okay, see you later. We're done. So, we're gonna go na to our favorite mall.
Which
Market
is-
Market. Favorite mall mo, di ba? Charot.
Oh, yun eh.
Ah, hindi ba Market
Yung mga
Market?
nagpapamassage, di ba?
Ah.
Favorites pa mo, yung ano, mga bulag.
Ako lang, ako talaga. So, we will be going to our favorite mall, SM Aura. Premiere. Premiere yun, be. Sorry.
Alam ko.
So, yun lang naman. So, we will be going na. And then, doon na rin kami magmamas again. So, see you later. Bye!
How are you feeling? How are you feeling now? When all the pieces seem like they can't be found. I'll be the friend that is standing there. I'll be the hand holding all your cares. I see you now, I'm not going anywhere. We'll find our way back home. We'll find our way back
already here inside the mall or inside the SM Aura. So just we're gonna take an elevator lang. What's that? Look, oh, there's a cute dog inside. It's white. There's a lot of cute dogs. You want dogs? Where's the dogs? Feeling. So where are we? Okay, so mag-elevator kami kasi yeah, first time ko here. Bakit?
Ay, nag-inom mo. Ay, hati. Oo, ano may pulbo na dito yung pinalas. I sit down daw siya. Okay, let's sit.
So, I think itong elevator na to going to the 5th floor na kung saan naroon ang simbahan. Okay, so we're gonna go inside na. See you later. Okay, so we're on the way to the church. Actually, dito lang kami sa likod dumaan kasi mas malapit. So, I think dito yung Samsung Hall, di ba, Be? Where's the Samsung Hall? Where's the church? Sisiyo, daming chika. So, late na kami. Supposedly, the mass is 6:30 pero parang 6, ano na? 6:40 na. So, 10 minutes lang naman. So, sa labas na kami magstay. Uy, no touching! Go walk faster! Medyo madilim. So we're here. So we're done with our mass. We're done. So actually late nga kami. Dito yung mass na dinaanan namin sa gilid ng NIU going to Samsung Hall. So doon ang actually may elevator pero maraming tao kasi. That's why dito kami dumadaan every time that we're going there. So ngayon, yeah. Okay. So magdi-dinner kami. Simpleng dinner lang. Be, dito! Actually, meron kasi akong milk tea dito na gustong tikman. Bago lang yun eh. Parati ko siyang nakikita but I haven't tried it. And I really want to taste it like totally, you know. Yeah. Kabila pala. Mali. Asan yung milk tea na yun? Sa kabila pala. Ayun. Yung Hong Kong siya, no? Hong Kong milk tea siya. So, I want to try it kasi I haven't tried it. So, I'm gonna try it. So, dito lang siya sa gilid. Ayan. Here. Oh. Okay. Saan ang order sa loob? Kay take out? Hindi, doon sa loob daw.
Pasok ka sa loob.
Oo.
Pasok mo sa loob.
Pasok ba kayo? Hello, yung milk tea lang? Ano yung bestseller sa milk tea? Ano yung asal? Sa milk tea lang? Black tea.
May jasmine o iced tea. Pero Okinawa kasi sir, hindi siya available. Wala po yung price.
Walang Okinawa.
Nare-recommend ko namin yung asam.
Yun yung bestseller. Pero yung Okinawa na milk tea, wala din.
Hindi ko siya available. Kasi wala po yung Okinawa brown sugar.
Oo. Pero itong asam, anong difference niya dito?
Brown sugar lang po. Same lang sila ng cheese sir. Ang pinagkaiba lang po, ito brown sugar yung sweetener niya. Yung sa asam po is yung
Sige, yung asam na lang. Ano? Bili ka rin. Isa lang for take out lang. Thai ice. May Thai ice. Okay. Bayad na. Cash. 148 lang.
148.
May pearls na ba ito? Okay. It's actually Hong Kong milk tea. Since magti-take out lang kami, we're just gonna wait outside lang. Who's crying? See you. Say no crying. Actually, we got the milk tea na. At ayun, dalawa siya.
Sana masarap yan.
May free. Naka-buy one take one ata sila be. I don't know kung every kailan to. Bakit nagbigay sila ng free item. So, tanong natin. Kasi nakalagay dito, free. Ayan, 148 lang yung binayad namin. Pero dalawa siya. Okay, so hayaan na natin. Baka free talaga. Free talaga siya. Dalawa, So, nashock ako. Baka kasi nakita niya, na vlogger ako. Charot. Feeling. Charot lang. Be, baka nakita niya vlogger ako kaya dinalawan niya. Feeling. Nakita niya nagbe-video ako, be, kaya nag-free siya. Dalawa to, Hindi, free item nakalagay 148. Ha? Oo, nakalagay.
Hindi ka mabenta. Sana masarap.
Ba't kaya sila nag-free? Saan tayo kakain dyan, na? Ayoko na ng noodles. Ha? Daming tao, be. Ayan, dito sa gilid, Ay, may tao din. We're gonna eat first before going to toys, okay? Say okay. Sino na kumuha ng niya, Milo niya? Kahit ano.
Slim plate na lang. Gusto mo sa slim plate.
Walang pwesto ata. Wait lang, baby. Baka dito. So we're just gonna find a place first. So dito na kami kakain. Right, so we have a place na. And see is here. No, don't. That's dirty. So nag-order na si Paul. And we're just waiting for him lang. Okay, so while waiting, tikman na natin tong Assam milk tea ng Tuan Chinese bar. Chinese, it's a Chinese restaurant. It's actually from Hong Kong. Hong Kong based daw to. So let's see, bakit kaya nila ka binigyan ng free? Let's taste it. Curry din, okay din naman. Masarap siya. Sakto lang yung tamis. Dahil lasang-lasang yung tsaa. Pero okay din yung pearls. So first time ko to. Okay naman. It's a 9.0 for me. It's a good milk tea. There! So, inanap kami ni Paul. At ayan. Tagal mo. Akala ko inantay mo na yung tagal mo.
Nagdag ako ng egg on top.
Ako?
Fine.
Okay. Tia!
Walang yomi.
Ah, sabi niya meron. Ano kakainin ni Zio?
Yomi.
Ha?
500 ako eh. 680.
Uy, tuwash lang yun ah.
Ha?
Tuwash lang yun.
Ano to? Siyempre, may lomi pa. May
Akala ko wala na.
May egg pa.
Ba't nag-water ka pa? Sana isa na lang water.
Okay lang yan.
So, may bagong chatra mo dito.
Ah, meron na?
Ayan o. Nakita?
Ay, ramen pala.
So, ayan yung favorite Thai milk tea ko.
Ano sa yan?
Anong score mo? Don't go there! I scored it 9.0. Okay naman siya, di ba?
10 out of 10. Ano sa
Ha?
parang sa ka-level nung sa Taiwan.
Parang Taiwan milk tea. Eh, Chinese to eh.
May free pa oh. Parang susumay magkano lang isa. Bili ka pa. Take out.
Baka may free pa ulit. No, they're eating. You have to eat first.
Tsaka yung electrical mo dito.
Ang init dun eh. Naghanap ako ng malamig.
Hindi ko pala nabignan. Gusto nga may drinks na ako.
Okay, so we're waiting for our food and see you later. Bye! Okay, so our food is already here. So ito yung food ni Zio, his favorite pancit. It's actually lomi. Then steak. This is a steak.
Fish na lang ako.
Tuna? Sabi mo ayaw mo.
Wala, mahal. Mahal yung beef.
So, ito is pork. Ano nga ba to? Pork steak ginesto. Then, tuna steak ginesto. So, ayan. Ito lang naman ang food namin. So, ayan lang. We're just gonna eat first. And then, just gonna go back to you later. So, let's eat na. Oh, what are you going to get? Okay, so we're gonna eat. See ya. So we're done eating. And we're going down. Of course, yung request ni CEO, we will be going to the toy store. Let's see kung may mabili siya. Pero si Zio kasi, like yung mga previous video namin, pag nasa toy store siya, masaya na siya na naglalaro-laro lang ng mga toys. Ayan na, nauna na. Kabisado na niya yan. Kabisado na niya dito. Saan na? Diyos ko, nauna na oh. So yeah, maglalaro-laro lang naman din siya. And masaya na siya dyan. Di naman siya yung talagang magpupumilit na may bilhin. Basta mag-play lang siya, he's happy na. Ayan. Ayan, happy na siya dyan. See ya. Stay ka, oh, here ka, here. Play here, not there.
Here, oh, I'm gonna build a castle. That's why. Like this. We have to do this.
Thank you.
Here, oh. This was here. Here, here, big na.
So, ayan.
Here, oh. Here, Paw Patrol. There you go.
Ayan, bet yan.
This one, a monkey.
Oh, no, don't put it there.
See, there's a monkey, oh.
Monkey swinging. So, ayan. So, play lang naman siya. So, ako, whenever we are here, nandito ako palagi pumupunta yan sa mga Barbie store. Barbie area. Ayan. Kasi nakakachempo ako dito ng mga sale. Before nakabili ako ng madami dito. Naka-sale. At yun, ginawan ko lang sila ng gown. So I'm just buying Barbie para sa gown. So yung mga Elfa ba oh. Nasa 3.5 pa din siya. Hindi siya nagsasale. Mahal pa din ng mga Glenda at Elfa ba. Hindi siya nagsasale. So, asa na si Zio ngayon?
Yes, Master. Bantay.
Come on, Zia, let's go there. Let's go there or the back, come on. Here, oh. Hi. Zio Monster, oh. Zio Monster.
One.
Hello, what's this? What's this? Oh, look, oh.
No.
What's this? Oh no! I'll give it to you. See you, oh look, oh. Oh no, oh no, what's that? Oh no, what's that? What? What's that? What? See you, oh, look a monster, oh. This one, oh.
There's a monster.
Kunin mo nga ito, be. Suot mo. Dali. Feeling ko yun, be, para pantakot ko sa'yo. Bili mo siyang Spider-Man.
You want this, baby? Bata to, 6 months eh.
Wala, pipindot-pindot lang siya dyan. Hindi naman niya yan, nag-enjoy lang siyang pindot-pindot. Be, di mo kilala yan.
Dala ko yan.
Be,
Yan, oh.
huwag ka mag-feeling. Hindi mo kilala yung mga NBA player.
Kilala ko itong mga dito.
Si Jaworski lang kilala mo.
Oh, Diyos, yung ko rin kilala yun.
Jaworski, tsaka si si Yoyoy Villame.
Ito, oh.
Yoyoy Villame.
Ano naman ni Lebron James?
Asan?
Ito, si Lebron. Parang kasi nagagalaw-galaw sa
Walang
mata.
Stephen Curry. Stephen Curry
Ito,
powder.
Stephen Curry, this one. Ayan.
Oo, siya. Sino pa bang kilala
Idol
ko?
ko ni
Si Kobe
Dominic
Bryant.
Si Lebron.
Si Kobe Bryant.
Kobe Bryant. Parang wala.
Wala, tegi na yun, be.
Ay, hindi pala.
Tegi na yun. Patay na si Kobe, be.
Ayaw pa lang.
Si Kobe One Kenobi.
Kung si Young.
Asan na yung bata? Eh! Here! Okay, let's buy Monster. We're gonna get that skeleton. Yes? Yes! Okay, come on, let's get it. Don't want? What's that? What's inside? Uy, don't open that. Oh. K-pop, oh. K-pop pangit. K-pop Demon Hunter. See you, let's go there, oh. There's an animals there, oh. Come on. See you, let's go here at the back. Come on. See you, let's go there, oh. There's an animal. Look, oh. Look, there's an animal there, oh. Come on. Let's find some toys there, oh. There's a slide. Let's go to slide. Come on. Where's the slide? Not there. Oh, where is it? Oh, go find it. Okay, here. Here. See you here. I'll go to the slide. Here, oh. See here, it's here. Here, that's for girls. That's for girls na. Go there. There's the slide. Let's go here. It's Bluey, oh. Bluey! Zio! Come on. Wala na yung mga slide. It's not a slide na, baby. Wala na yung slide. That's a swing. Swing? Hindi pala swing to. Matawag dito? Duyan. Duyan or ano. Come on, see you. Let's go there. Oh. Hi. Is that your house? Is that your house? Say hi. Say hi to your house. Hi. Is that your house? Oh, say hi here. Oh, just say hi. Say, this is my house. Let's go here, come on. Zia, let's go here, oh. There's a ball, oh. There's a lot of balls here, oh. Balls, oh. Zio, look at the balls. There's a lot of balls here. Let's go to Papa, oh. Papa is there, oh, the Spider-Man. Come on. Papa's there checking for Spider-Man. There, oh, come on. Go here. 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 Papa's here. Here. Go, Papa's here, oh. Zio! Sana? Look, oh. So neat. May naka-sale, wala.
Meron dun, parang Lego.
May naka-sale sa ano, wala dito. Okay. So, mahal pa rin sila. Minsan nakakabili kasi kami ng naka-sale here. Wala lang. Because we're a fan of Marvel. Ayan. Kaya meron kami mga stock ng mga Marvels. So, pag may sale, bibili kami. Just for the display. So, asa na sila? Okay, so we're gonna see us here. So, we're just gonna ikot-ikot lang and let's see kung may mabibili si Zio. We'll find out. Okay, so you don't like this? You don't like this airplane? You don't like this airplane? Yeah? Is this an airplane? Ah, helicopter. Oh, you like this? Oh, it's moving. You like this? You like this? It's helicopter daw. It's not airplane. So, kinurek pa niya ako. You don't want this helicopter? Okay. Oh, so anong gusto mo? So, uwi na tayo. Wala ka namang gusto. Okay, sorry. Ano? What do you want? You don't want the helicopter? Oh, what do you want? Ayaw mo naman yan. Pinipindot mo lang yan. Ayaw niya kasi yung mga walang nangyayari na laruan. And masaya na siya sa ganyan. So whenever we're here, hindi naman siya magtuturo. So paano lang yung lalaro-laruin yan. Ayan! Oh no! Oh no! Put it back! Say sorry! Say sorry! You want that hug? You want the hug? You want that? Oh no! You want to be Hulk? Or this Spider-Man? You like this? Big Spider-Man, oh. Mahal be, 3.6. Hindi pwede. Hindi maganda. It's too expensive. Pero buti na lang ayaw niya niya. Ganyan-ganyan lang naman yan. Hindi naman niya bet. Oh, let's go na. Oh, look, oh, who's this? See you, who's this, oh? Ito na si He-Man. See you, oh, I am, who's this? I am He-Man. Ay, nako, see you. Ay, ang cute ni Chopper. Ano na? Come on na, let's go home na. Let's go down na. You're not gonna buy anything naman eh. Tara. So ayun na nga, wala kami nabili. So wala siyang napili, wala naman siyang gusto. So hindi naman siya nagwala nung lumabas kami. So ibig sabihin, wala siyang gusto. Actually, sometimes kami lang talaga yung pumipili for him. Then masaya na talaga siya ng ganon. Naglalaro lang siya ng mga toys doon. Pero di naman niya gustong iuwi. So ganon lang siya. Lalo pag hindi naman niya bet. So ngayon, tatry namin dito. Kasi we're going to supermarket. Let's see kung may makita siyang toys dyan. May mga simple toys dyan eh. Mas gusto pa niya yun. Yung mga may candy sa loob na toys. Yun, mas gusto niya yun. Ayaw niya ng mga mamahalin. Which is pabor naman. Pabor na pabor. Si Paul lang naman mahilig bilad siya ng laruan. Not me. Oh, manawagan ka. Sama. Oh. Oh, we're gonna check there if there's a toy there, okay? Huwag na dyan, mama. Later na, Zio. Let's go here first. May bili siya kausap ko. So, magki-quick, lang kami, grocery. Kasi, nag-grocery naman kami last time. So, just an additional grocery lang. Yung mga iluluto namin for Mother's birthday. Kasi magba-birthday na yung mami ni Paul. And we will be celebrating it in the... Saan ba tayo magsa-celebrate, be? Tanay? In the Tanay. In the Tanay? In Tanay. So, they booked a private resort. So, magbibili lang kami ng mga lulutuin for the batter. Okay? So, see you later. So, we're done na with the grocery. So, we're going down. Pati nga naman na grocery mo, be.
Yung lasagna mo.
So, I will be cooking lasagna for our mother's birthday.
Lasagna pinapurata.
Lasagna kinesto. Kasi kineme at kinesto lang yun. Charot.
Sino mo? Ang sarap yun. I'm rooting for you.
Ano ako halaman?
Laban, yung ugat.
You're rooting for
Yeah,
me.
yung ugat pala. Umuugat ka eh.
So,
Grabe, simba natin. Mas malapit yung...
ano na nabili ni Zio? Nakabili na siya ng Mickey Mouse na may candy tsaka fries. So, finally, nakapili din siya ng gusto niya. Kasi, yun lang naman yung mga bet niya eh. Zio, you're gonna jump, ha? Babe, dalian mo, may bata sa likod. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Jump! Okay, good job. So, bababa pa tayo, be, kasi nasa basement to tayo. Bagsak to si Zio mamaya kasi wala siyang tulog, be. So, ayan lang ang eksena namin. Mag-grocery lang si Be kasi marami siyang pera.
Ha?
Charot. May sinasabi ka, Be? Ano sinasabi mo? Ha? May sinasabi ata si Be. What are you pertaining to? You're in the vlog. Bes. Nanahimik si Be. Wala nang chinika kasi naka-vlog. Charot. So, yun lang naman ang aming Sunday. It's a very productive Sunday again for us. Kasi marami kaming nagawa. We were able to do a grocery, mass. Tapos sa kabilang side ba tayo sa harap niyan? Oo. Maganda yung parking natin eh. Sa harap lang. So nakapag-mass, lakwatsa ang bagets, nakakain, then nakapag-grocery ng mga something lang. So, ba yung parking? So, yung natirang 83 pesos sa ano ko, ipambabayad din ng parking na. Wala na kasi akong pera eh. Wala na akong pera. Ikaw ang mas maraming pera. Ipasok mo na siya sa loob. Magbabayad akong parking. I'm gonna pay the parking first. I'll go. Grabe, ayaw talagang kumawala. So, magbabayad lang akong parking here. Okay, so we already paid our parking. So paglabas lang, andito kami agad. Ang ganda ng parking namin. At ang ganda ng banks ko. See? Where is he, Hi! What?
What's open in the fridge?
Later, we're gonna open your fries, toys, and Mickey Mouse with candies. Okay, we're gonna open that later when we get home, okay?
Candy
Wag mo-
fries. And candy fries.
Mamaya na. When we get home, we're gonna play that, okay? What's that?
Candy fries.
Okay, candy fries and Candy Mickey. So, di ba? Yung candy fries na yon, tsaka yung Mickey Mouse na candy. Parang ano lang yun, mga 100 plus isa. Compared dun sa mga laruan sa Toy Kingdom na mga 1,000 plus. Na hindi naman siya masyadong happy after.
Two fries.
Yes. Sa mga simple lang ang happiness niya, mga ganun lang. So, come on na. Oh, Dada will come in. Oh, stand up first. I'm gonna come in myself. Bye, see you.
Oh, Dada! Dada! Dada!
Oh, ay na naman.
Dada!
Bye, my see you. Oh, eh. Bye, my see you. Bye. Bye, my see you. Bye, my see you. Bye. Okay. And the best child performer is Zio. Yay! Galing umarte ng hayop. Charot.
Minumura mo yung bata.
Galing mo talaga umarte, Zio talaga. You're so exaggerating.
Saan tayo?
Parang kang papa mo.
Dito na ako.
Dada!
Dito ba yun?
I go to playground.
It's already closed. We're going home. No more playground.
Ano mali? Oh, wait ko.
Tomorrow again, okay? Ganda yung ilaw.
Saan ba tayo galing? Ikot ako dito, di ba?
Dito kaya, dyan.
Ha? Wrong way ako. Dito na ako. Babalik ako doon. Doon tayo galing eh.
Edi iyo.
Lalabas tayo.
Edi iyo baga.
Nag-vlog ka pa rin? Paminas na to.
Yes. Pampahaba, charot.
Pampahaw.
So, saan na pa tayo?
Palabas na tayo.
We're going... Hala. Ba't ang feeling ko ako siya tabi? Parang feeling mo. Be, malito. Sa kabilang side ka nga.
So doon tayo?
Oo, para palabas na ng C5.
Okay.
Sinabi ko na sa Indong Gabos,
Hindi na tayo galing tayo.
you are
Sa
not
baba.
listening to my saying.
Ayun na nga, C5.
Kaliwa ka, be.
Ay, exit na Kibi.
Oo. Magsisipay tayo. So, we're going home. Gonna update you later. See ya. Bye. Okay, so we are already home. So again, that was our Sunday. So, I think this would be the end of our vlog. Say bye na.
Pagkain at lugar palaging
Bye.
bago.
Bye, guys.
Sama-sama lagi.
Click like.
Tara na, sumama sa aming kwento.
One more.
Pamilya. Sa
Bye.
bawat destinasyon, kwento'y hindi matatapos. Mula sa mga tao hanggang sa pagkain. Sumama sa pagsalubong, lahat ng lugar may sariwang alon. Buhay na
Candy, and then where's
mga
the
kwento'y
fries,
sumik
Candy?
sa bawat food trip.
Where's the fries?
Matutuklasan
Here.
kahit saan, laging masarap,
fries,
walang
Candy.
tapon. Red for
I'll show it
zero,
to them.
laging handa.
Is it yummy?
Tara na, maglakbay at mag-enjoy ng tao.
Okay, say bye na. Bye, guys.
Sa beach,
See
sa
you again.
bundok, o sa syudad.
Mwah.
Laging magaan,
Bye.
laging may saya. Mula sa north hanggang sa south, laging magkakasama, hindi matitinan.